How to handle insurance companies after a personal injury. A step by step guide. First is gather documentation of your injury. Discuss the importance of having a clear record of your injuries. Explain that medical records, bill, and treatment details will support your claim. Suggest keeping a journal of pain levels, treatment, and recovery progress. Report the injury to the insurance company. Explain how to report the incident to your own insurance company and the other party's insurance if needed. Mention the need to do this as soon as possible to avoid delay in your claim. Advice on what information to provide, example date of accident and injury detail. And third is do not admit fault. Discuss why you should avoid admitting fault at any point in your conversation with the insurance company. Remind the audience that the insurance company will try to gather settlement to determine fault and limit their liability. Stress the importance of sticking to the fact and avoiding speculation. Communicate in writing, emphasizing the need to put all communication with the insurance company in writing. Explain that writing communication provide a record in case of dispute. Suggest sending follow-up email to confirm any verbal agreement or action. Review your policy. Advice on reviewing the insurance policy to understand and coverage and limits. Mention that knowing your right and the terms of your policy can help during negotiation. Explain how understanding exclusion and coverage limit can help set realistic expectation. Keep track of your expenses and losses. Encourage the audience to keep track of medical bill, lost wage, transportation cost, and other expenses related to the injury. Suggest keeping receipt and a long of these expenses to provide evidence when filing your claim. And seventh is avoid yearly settlement. Warn against accepting quick settlement offers from insurance companies without consulting a lawyer. Explain that these yearly offers often undervalue the true cost of the injury and long term damage. Recommended seeking professional legal advice before making any decision. And eighth is be persistent and patient. Remember the audience that the claim process may take time and the insurance company may try to delay or undervalue the claim. Advice on staying persistent and following up regularly to keep the process moving. Summarizing the key point is gather evidence, report the injuries, avoiding admitting fault, communicate in writing, review your policy, track expenses, and be patient. Reassure the audience that with the right approach, they can handle insurance process confidently. Encourage them to seek professional legal assistance if necessary to ensure fair compensation.